Hi guys, this is Elizabeth Kadovich back again with part 2 of your marketing analysis, and this time I'm going to go a little bit more in depth and I'm going to identify 3 specific market segments that I believe you should be targeting. Alright, so the first marketing segment I chose is ethical consumers. Their goal is to reduce the negative impacts of consumption on people and the planet. They're looking for products that are ethically sourced, ethically made, and ethically distributed. They're searching for labels that say recycled or renewable materials. Their goal is to reduce their consumption and waste footprint by reducing, reusing, and recycling. This is someone you guys should be targeting because you already sell a large assortment of ethical products. Up next, we have the health-conscious consumer. So these are individuals who live a wellness-oriented lifestyle and are concerned with nutrition, fitness, stress levels, and their environment. They're looking for the most natural option. Clean, whole foods, packaged goods with the most minimal ingredients, no chemicals, dyes, or preservatives, and preferably organic. These are people who are trying to heal themselves naturally with food, not Western medicine. A large group of these people suffer from autoimmune diseases, diseases that might not be treatable, so they look for a natural way of healing. I believe this is someone you guys should be targeting because, once again, you already sell a very large variety of organic, natural, clean, superfood type products that health-conscious consumers are looking for. And finally, we have people with food allergies like myself, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, vegan, etc. These people are looking for specialty food options that are not available at a regular grocery store like Walmart or Safeway. You guys should be targeting this group because they are, like the Co-op is by far the best place in Moscow to find these specialty products. Alright, so for Persona 1 we have Abby. Price is not going to matter that much to Abby. She's willing to pay for quality. She has no problem paying more for a bar of soap that's made locally with goat's milk from a family farm. She's more concerned about how long she'll be able to use the product, if it's reusable/refillable, if she can recycle it when she's finished using it. She's just looking for something that's good for the planet. She's prepared to pay extra for natural products. For place, I would say the best thing to do would just be to advertise and have signs around your products that are reusable, biodegradable, eco-friendly, and refillable, etc., because it'll catch her attention, and that is exactly what she's looking for. An idea for a promotional plan for this particular type of consumer would be marketing items as refillable and reusable, like Dr. Bronner's soap, for example. You can fill any size bottle in the store and come back and repurchase more soap in the same bottle for a smaller cost. Another idea, more specifically for a promotional type of plan, would be buy one, get one 30% off select said eco-friendly brand. And both of these could be communicated in the best way to Abby with just signs in the store, posters, flyers at checkout, maybe in coupon books at checkout, because I think she's just going to be shopping in person and looking for these things as she's walking through the store. For Persona 2, we have Vanny Harry, who's a food blogger. The Co-op should market their food products with the most minimal and clean ingredient lists. Signs that say things like only 2 ingredients. That's what she's looking for. As for price, Vanny is not going to pay anything unreasonable, but she's likely to purchase a probiotic yogurt that, for example, is $8 for 2 servings, so price can be fairly high. She's looking for quality. As for place, health food stores is where she's going to do the majority of her shopping because generic grocery stores aren't going to have these sort of high-end products like the ones that she's looking for. It would be best, I think, to have all the clean brands with the most natural, minimal ingredients grouped all together somewhere, maybe in one aisle, so customers like her can find everything that they're looking for in one spot. These type of customers favor specific brands. They tend to buy the same product from the same brands over and over again because they're consistent in the type of product that they produce. With Vanny's platform being mainly social media and blogging, we're going to want to use digital marketing to promote the store to her. She's working online, so she's going to see email promotions, website ads, and social media ads. Having a Co-op ad that says things like fresh local produce, natural non-toxic packaged goods, organic produce, raw dairy products, used coconut sugar instead of cane sugar, things like this is going to catch her attention, and this is the exact type of food that she's looking to purchase. Here are 2 examples of either an email ad or an Instagram story that I just quickly made that could come up on Vanny's feed to grab her attention and bring her to the store. For my final persona, I chose my little brother Jack, who has celiac disease, so he's gluten-free. It's helpful to have a gluten-free section with how many people nowadays suffer from gluten intolerance and celiac. Jack is prepared to spend the extra $5 for gluten-free food. For example, a regular loaf of bread is smaller than or equal to $3, but a gluten-free loaf of bread is between $7 and $9. Jack expects this. He's not worried about the price. For place, I really think like I said before, that they should just have a gluten-free section so it's easy for people to find all the packaged goods that they need. For Jack, he spends most of his time on campus, so posting flyers around campus and handing out little flyers or coupons at checkout is going to be the best way to communicate the gluten-free products that the co-op offers. Jack's also a 19-year-old who spends a generous amount of his time on social media. A co-op Instagram account that posts daily could be a great way to relay information to Jack about new gluten-free products, gluten-free product sales, and gluten-free goodies being made in the cafe at the shop. Here's 2 example flyers that I made that could be passed out at checkout or posted on the co-op Instagram story. Specifically this week's gluten-free cookies, that would be a great Instagram story that would bring Jack to the store. I had a great time putting this analysis together for you guys. Thank you so much for working with me. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out as you already have my contact information. Great work, co-op, and good luck.